Hi friends, welcome to Situs Biology. Today our topic is about types of streaking. In the previous video I already gave the basic details about what is streaking. Now we are going to deal with the types of streaking. Let's see what are those. The first one is the simple streak method. First one is the simple streak. In this the first one is the A. Here this is the type of streaking in the simple streak that marked as A. Let's see how it will be drawn. This is the way to draw the simple streak on the agar plate of the culture media to isolate the bacterial colonies. Here this is marked as A. The next second one is the simple streak, which is designated as a B. Here we can see the two streaks, means in the first one we can see only the primary streak, but in the second one we can observe primary and the secondary streak. Let's see how it is going to streak on the agar plate. This is the way to draw the primary streak on the agar plate. Based on our convenience, we can turn the plate into in our direction. This is a primary and this is a secondary streak. Next, the third one, that is the simple streak. It is designated as a C. It contains three, means primary, secondary and the tertiary streaks on the plate. Let's see how it is drawn on the plate. In this also we can turn the plate based on our convenience only. Means in which direction we are going to draw streak the culture on the plate, in the direction we can turn the plate easily. This is the first one, second one and the third one. In this way we can draw the primary, secondary and the tertiary streak. And in the simple streak it also D type is also present. Here it contains a 4 streak method on the plate, means it contains quadrant. Let's see how it is drawn on the plate. In the corners we can streak it. First one, this one is the second one, and this one is the third one, and next one is the fourth one. Roughly I was drawn here. In the agar plate we can draw very easily based on the space occupied there. These are the different types of the simple streaks we can draw on the agar plate for the isolation of the bacteria. Next one is the fourth one, that is nothing but the quadrant state. Quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4. Nothing but quadrant is nothing but the 4, means here we on the agar plate we are going to streak 4 streaks. The first one, it is known as a mother culture. First we are going to draw on the plate. From that we are going to streak. Let's see how it is streaked on the agar plate. This is the primary streak from the mother culture. Roughly I am going to draw. I said na, based on our convenience we can draw the turn the plate into our direction like this. This was a book na, that's why it is looking like that. The plate will turn very easily. This is the tertiary one, and the last one, that is nothing but the fourth streak on the agar plate, nothing but the quadrant streak. This is the type of the streaking in the agar plate, on the agar plate to isolate the bacterial colonies. The next one is the fifth one, that is a pattern worn streaking. It contains a 4 streak method. Actually at the end of this streak, each streak contains a tail. I already said in the previous streak that is the mother streak. Let's see how to draw that streak on the agar plate. We are going to draw remaining or placing the tail at the end of the every streak in primary, secondary as well as the tertiary and also the quadrant streak, means fourth streak. This is the tertiary one. In this way, based on our convenience, we can turn the plate easily. to streak the plate. This is the pattern 1 streaking, which are containing the tails for every streak, primary, secondary as well tertiary and the quaternary. This is the 5th type of streaking. The next one is the 6th type of streaking, that is designated as the pattern 2. Here that one is the mother culture. From that we can draw the lines like an arrows, 1 2 3 4 5. Based on our convenience we can draw 6 or 7 also. Let's see how it is drawn on the or streak on the agar plate. After keeping the mother culture, we can draw the lines in the downward direction by keeping the arrow. Means I'm showing the how we have to draw the line in the downward direction with the arrow. These are the different streaks in the pattern 2, that is the 6th type of streaking. Let's see with the 7th one, that is the pattern 3 streaking. Here we are going to place the mother culture as usual. From that we are going to streak in the straight way. From that in the downward we are going to opposite direction, the straight, in the left also. Like this we are going to streak on the agar plate. That arrow will show the direction to draw the streak on the agar plate. In this way we are going to streak in the pattern 3 type of streaking. These are the different types of streaking we are going to use on the streaking plate method. All the methods are having the same role, that is to isolate the bacterial colonies. Isolate the bacterial colonies. These are the different types of streak. I think you like this video. If you like this video, please do share, subscribe and like.